Hi, I'm Julie Hanks, LCSW with Private Practice Toolbox. A lot of therapists are hesitant to start creating online content and hesitant to venture out into social media. And if you follow my blog, you'll know that I am not shy about it at all. I think social media presence and online practice presence is really, really important. But I want to ask you a question. Are you a content creator or a content curator? And we don't usually think about content curation, but that's a really big part of sharing information through social media. So content creation is actually original information that you generate and then share through online in some way. Content curation is sharing other relevant information by other people and sharing that. And what I've noticed is people who only share their own content don't have as much engagement. So what I suggest is on your professional social media, you share approximately 40% of your own content, blog posts, videos, things that podcasts, anything you've done like that. And 60% you share curated things, so articles by other professionals, helpful tips, graphics, photos, things that are related to your practice area, but that you didn't generate. And what that does is it makes it so you can update and share more information than just your own. So you're sending out valuable information, and that curation also helps reinforce your practice area. So for example, if you're doing content curation, you might find the newest research on ADHD, if that's your specialty, and share links to articles. You might share things in the news that are going on related to your practice specialty. So you'll share those links on social media. So that's content curation. So I want to challenge you to do more curating. It'll help you be more relevant in your practice area, and it will likely boost your engagement in your social media following. So don't just share your own stuff. Pass around any good resources through your social media channels, and I think you'll get more engagement, more retweets, more shares, and it also helps you kind of, share the best of other people's efforts and other professionals, and that gets you, a good professional network as well. So content creation is important, but don't forget about content curation. I'm Julie Hanks, LCSW, with Private Practice Toolbox. You can visit juliehanks.com for more private practice tips and consultation.